Love always protects, always trusts, always hopes, always preserves. First Corinthians chapter 13 verses 7. The Lovystouch. Hello family, a very warm welcome back to the Lovystouch food channel. Thank you so much for coming back. Join me today as I create a very delicious and romantic dinner at home using very few ingredients, and you're going to love it. We are making curry coconut fish with simple but delicious coconut peas rice that is so mouth-watering. Watch this if you're planning to have a romantic dinner at home. It has lots of sprinkles of lovey in here. Stay tuned and let's get right into it. You'll love it so much. Let's start with our coconut and peas rice. It is very easy to put together. It needs very few ingredients as well, and it's just so delicious. I'm going to melt some butter in my pot, and once it's nice and warm, I'll add quarter size of chopped yellow onions, and I'm going to fry this until it's very nice and caramelized in there. And I'll also add some jalapeno peppers. This is going to bring up some spice to the rice, which is so nice. Heat we love. You can decide to use any chili of preference. It does not have to be jalapeno peppers. It's just nice and very warm in there. So just go ahead and fry this too for about 2 minutes, and then go ahead and wash your rice and add everything right here. Added your rice, please make sure you stir gently together so everything comes well uniformed. I'm going to add about half cup of coconut milk and stir everything together as well. This is going to bring so much great flavor to your rice, and to that magical touch, I'm going to add some red kidney beans. These are already cooked, the ones you can get in the store. Really, it does not have to be difficult. Just add everything here and season it with salt. Add a little bit of water, cover it, and just allow your rice to cook. It's that simple. Very easy rice recipe, and it's just so unique and delicious. I want you to really try this recipe because you're going to end up loving it, and it's going to be one of your top-notch rice recipe to prepare. Okay, this is inspired by the Jamaican rice and peas, by the way, with addition of coconut milk and all that beautiful ingredient that we introduced. Okay, so after about 15 minutes, go ahead and stir it. Make sure that it is not burning, and stir that everything is well uniform in there. Cover it and allow this to cook for another 10 minutes, and voila, your rice will be ready. And it's just so good. The fragrance, the aroma in here is just delicious. Very good. So now let's set it aside and go ahead and make our simple but delicious coconut curry fish. And I chose the haddock fish today. You can decide to choose some red snapper fish and any fish that has lots of meat with less bones as possible will be best for this recipe. Okay, so this haddock fish has been in the fridge for a while, but I definitely knew that this is the recipe that I'll be going for with this. I'm going to make sure I make some incisions so that when I season, it will penetrate through every corner of this fish. It has been cleaned and also washed neatly already. Okay, so what I'm going to do next is tap it dry, because I want this seasoning that I'll be using to be very well marinated to this fish. And also after seasoning it, I'll be shallow frying it, so I just want to make sure I get rid of the excess water as much as I can. And I'm going to use my fish seasoning powder, and this contains lots of salt already, so I'm not going to add any more salt. So you just go ahead and check the type of seasoning that you'll be using. Any fish seasoning will be good for this recipe. Okay, there's not specific seasoning for this. So once I'm done, I'm going to go ahead and shallow fry it. So voila, our fish is done. Lost few clips of me turning the fish, and yes, it is nice and very ready for us to go to the next step. So in the same frying pan, I'm going to add just a little bit of water and add lots of chopped onions. Choose any color of onions that you prefer. Stir fry it for about 2 minutes. After that, I'm going to add teaspoon of turmeric powder and 1 teaspoon of curry powder. Just because it's curry fish does not mean you should bombard this with lots of curry. Curry can be very overpowering, so you just want to make sure you're using the right amount in your dishes. And I'm going in with 1 cup of coconut milk and stir everything together. We want the color to be nice and vibrant. That's the reason why I added turmeric powder. I've made this recipe using just curry powder, and the curry powder was a lot. It was a little bit better. I did not like it, so this time I added some turmeric powder to just revive the color. Same time, I will just enjoy the little curry that I love to also have. So in here, I went in with habanero pepper, some sweet chilies, and some colorful bell peppers. Choose any color of choice. Remind you, this is a romantic dinner, so you just want it to be very nice and colorful. Make sure it's steam for just about 2 minutes, and voila! Oh, love the aroma in here. So good. Everything is in its right proportion, and now you want to go ahead and add your very nice shallow fried fish. Oh boy, this is such an amazing way to put together a very quick, nice, romantic dinner at home, and you're going to absolutely love it. I add some fresh rosemary to this and allow this to simmer for just about 2 minutes on a low to medium heat, and squeeze some lemon juice on it because you know fish can be fishy. We don't want to have that aroma in there. So all that you have to do is squeeze a little bit of the lemon juice and you're good to go. Look at that rice and this simple fish curry. So to my Ghanaian fam, if you're so tired of the long process stew making, try this once in a while and I promise you're going to absolutely love it. So delicious. So now let's set up the table, a very simple table settings. I hope you draw some few inspirations here and there, and we just put everything simple together, just a quick one at home for us to just feel a little bit intimate without us needing us to go outside. We chilling indoors. That's what we're doing this year. So yes. Lovystouch can be very romantic. Can you see that? Those flowers. Now, let's make a very quick, very quick cocktail. It's simple, very quick. All you need are some limes, and you can choose any fruit of choice. I went with strawberries. It's in the season. So I'm just going to put a bit of the lime juice around the wine glass and just dip it in the sugar, and you have this lovely restaurant style, cocktail appeal that I really wanted to have. I squeezed in some lime juice, went in some fresh strawberries. If you have the frozen one, you can use it and omit adding ice. Okay, so I went in to just crush the strawberries and then went in with extra lime, and then my ice was very much needed. Once it is nice and chill, you will love it even more. You can choose to use any sparkly wine or any frizzy drink and you'll be good to go. Add in that and just enjoy the sound of those bubbles. So nice. So we're done with the drinks now. Looks absolutely amazing. For the starters, we had some Swedish. Most delicious thing that we love to have in Sweden is their sandwich cake. It is so delicious. It has everything that any Ghanaian will love. Lots of eggs, some shrimps, and everything in between. I've actually shared a recipe of how I make my homemade sandwich cake. I'll link it here if you want, so that you can make some at home too. But this was bought in the stores and it was so lovely. So it's time for us to enjoy, and it's just great time for us to create a beautiful bond. And it was just so beautiful. Always start with prayers and it will end very well. So it's time to quickly plate our main dish, which is our coconut curry fish together with our delicious and most tastiest coconut and pea rice. Is so good combination. I just want you to try this and feel the restaurant quality at home. This is so good. It was very quick to put together. Honestly, it took us just under 40 minutes to get all this gorgeousness together. You will love it, and it's such a great bond. I want you to really try this at home with your partner. And hey, if you are single, you can go ahead and try this and enjoy yourself too. Just enjoy that beautiful time with yourself. Remember, self-love is very much important too. You do not have to wait for the Mr. Right, okay, before you enjoy this lovely moment. All right, so there you have it, family. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope that you enjoy this amazing and simple dish, and you're going to create this and enjoy some at home and feel that bond and connection too. All right, thanks so much for watching once again. Please do not forget to give me a thumbs up, share with your friends and family, and if this is your first time here, hello, my name is Lovia from Lovystouch. My main goal here is to cheer you up into making your own delicious meal right at the comfort of your home. I also love to share kitchen related motivational videos, so please come on board and subscribe to join the family for amazing new recipes every week. Thank you so very much, family, for watching once again, and as always, know that you're so beautiful just the way you are. I will see you in my next one. Have a blessed day. Bye.